Did you hear? There is something new on the horizon with HubSpot. Yes, there is. Look, y'all know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's HubSpot Update Time, brought to you by... All right, and today, new with HubSpot in the HubSpot Connect Partner Program is CircleLoop integration. Now, that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, if you have been looking for another way, a different way to track your phone calls, or maybe you're not doing that at all, I don't know. Well, that's what CircleLoop is all about. It's a product that enables you to send, receive, record, track, oh my gosh, that's a lot of goodness, outgoing and incoming calls directly within your HubSpot CRM. So what does this integration enable you to do? That might be the question. Well, with CircleLoop, you can automatically log all your calls, activities, or your call activity into HubSpot. You can enjoy an enhanced caller ID recognition. Look, let me pause there. CircleLoop does have a video on YouTube. I thought about using it in this update, but then I was like, I might get in trouble. But I wanted to play it because the video is awesome. I'm going to put their video in the description below because this caller ID recognition or enhanced caller ID recognition, it is dope. It is amazing. Anyway, for incoming calls, call leads, faster and full contact sync, and use simple click to call from HubSpot. Now, how might a sales person or how might the sales team or just sales in general use this integration? Automatic call and logging, voicemail transcriptions. You can go back through it. Oh, by the way, you might be creating content anyway. And click to call in the HubSpot CRM saves precious time for sales teams, which means they have more time to build meaningful relationships because it's all about human-to-human marketing with leads and worry less about tedious data entry. With CircleLoop, that's all taken care of. By the way, there's analytical dashboards that show your call activity, nice little graphs. The integration is free for HubSpot customers who also have CircleLoop. There is a link that you can go to. It's like CircleLoop. Hang on, let me get it for you real quick. It is circleloop.com/HubSpot is the link to learn more about this integration. Support the integration is built and supported by CircleLoop. Customers can reach out to them, and it's live now. It's in all supported languages of HubSpot. It is amazing. Again, I'm going to put the link to their video. You should go watch the video. By the way, do you like these updates? Do you like the interviews and tutorials we do? If so, head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That will take you to our private Facebook group. You can also go over to our channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're on Facebook right now, thanks for coming to our abode. Until next time, this is your boy George B. from Impulse Creative, a.k.a. Sprocket Talk, saying happy HubSpotting.